According to Rachamani, the best marketing strategy involves a combination of three key elements: function, emotion, and community. He emphasizes the importance of having a product that. Are you one of those who wants to read and learn from a big article or videos, but you do not have time to do so? Well, this tool might help you out. Welcome to day 243 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today, we are covering Unrav AI, a super handy tool that can convert long-form content, whether it's articles or YouTube videos, into simple, easy-to-use formats, whether it's documents or links. So, let's jump in and see if it's actually useful. So, to begin with, head over to Unrav, I guess. Okay, so unrav.io. They've done a lot of animations, which I'm not really a big fan of. The design looks very old styled and the color is so vibrant. I'm not really a big fan of this kind of sites, but let's see what it does. So paste any URL to transform, right? So we could put a YouTube link and ask it to create any content, or it could also be blogs, right? So let's head over to rate7.com/blogs. Nope, maybe blog. Yes, there you go. Why learning no code is essential for entrepreneurs in 2025. Let me take this link, come over here, paste the link and transform content, right? So it takes about a few seconds and it does extracting content, creating fingerprint, searching, and a couple of more steps. It gives us 10 prints to use, 10 lenses. They call it as lenses. And as we can see, chat with content, unique insights, Q&A coach or process flow, action planner, 5-point summary, short podcast, and mind map. So let's start with chat with content. So I'll select this. Again, a few more seconds, and then it will analyze content, processing with AI, formatting output, and finalizing view. So we can actually chat and ask anything basis the content that we have given. So interactive chat requires an account. So let's click on sign in and continue with Google. Search the account and click on continue. We are in. So we have to start over again. So I'll give the link, transform content. So it will take about a few seconds, and chat with content, select that, a few more seconds, and we should be ready to chat. And there you go, loading conversation. So chat with content, you can ask any questions. What is the blog all about? So it's thinking, and there you go. So the blog discusses the essential nature of no-code skills for entrepreneurs in 2025. It highlights how no-code tools are revolutionizing the way businesses can build, automate, and scale their operations without needing to write code. So it gives key points, includes accessibility, cost effectiveness, practical experience, automation, fail fast, and pivot faster, right? These are the key pointers that we have mentioned in this particular blog. Okay, you can see that over so here, fail fast, pivot faster, and so on and so forth, right? So we can keep asking questions, okay, but we will move on because we have just 8 more credits left. It gives us 10 credits every day in the free plan. Okay, so I'll go to new, and we can put YouTube link this time, and let's go to one of our videos. So how to build custom AI agents. So let me click on this, copy the link, put the link over here, transform content, and this time maybe we can go with 5-point summary. So it takes about a few seconds, and you can see taking longer than expected. Complex content needs extra processing time, and that is just a few additional seconds, and you go. So we've got a 5-point summary. Utilize Agent X for AI agents, step-by-step creation process, incorporate knowledge sources, deploy and share your agent, optimize your YouTube success. So this is what we discussed in that YouTube video, and that's what it is giving us, right? So let's go to new one, and we can actually ask questions basis some YouTube video. Let's say, for example, I'll take Nikhil Kamat's podcast with Raj Shamanik, right? So this is something that I loved. So the one that I was looking for is this one. So I'll take this particular link, I'll come here, put this particular link, transform content, and we can chat with content. So select 7 transformation left today, upgrade to Pro for unlimited transformation and premium features. So chat with content, let me do it again. I hope we should be able to do this, but because the content is too long, maybe it will not allow. Let's see. And there you go, it has started. What, according to Raj Shamani, is the best marketing strategy in this video? And let's see what he says. According to Raj Shamani, the best marketing strategy involves a combination of 3 key elements: function, emotion, and community. He emphasizes the importance of having a product that not only serves a functional purpose but also resonates emotionally with consumers. Additionally, building a community around the brand is crucial, right? So we can see all the details over here, and let's ask what is the type of content creation that Raj speaks in this video. So he speaks about ECG, right? Evergreen content, controversial content, and growth content. So this is ECG, and he also tells that we have to create 5 of this and 2 of this and 3 of this and 2 of this or something like that. I'm not sure if that is mentioned here, but it clearly understands what is there in the video and answers basis that content, which is so much easier. Because let's assume that we have watched a video and we have understood some concepts because we were traveling and we are watching together, but now I don't want to watch the entire content altogether just to get answer to one question. I can just head over to this particular platform and give the link of that particular video and ask any question that I may want to understand. So that's about this particular platform. Also, if you click on upgrade, you can upgrade at just $10 a month. That is hardly like 800 Indian rupees a month, and you get unlimited content transformation, all AI powered lenses, audio generation with premium voices, interactive chat with content, and so much more. Also, I would like to show you one more thing that we missed. It could be basis our blog, let's say. It could be for any type of content. Future of automation, let's say this one. So I will put this link, I'll click on transform content, and in a few seconds we should have the lenses ready, right? And this time let's go with short podcast. I'll click on select, and in a few seconds we should have this ready. And there you go. So it has given the audio script, okay, which can be, it has given us the audio script. We can read through it, and if we like it, then we can generate audio. Again, it does everything in few seconds. So let's wait for a few seconds. And there you go. Just click on
25. Automation is set to transform how businesses operate, primarily through the use of artificial intelligence and no-code platforms. These tools make it easier for anyone to create applications, automate tasks, and streamline workflows without needing coding skills.
And there you go. Your podcast is ready. Short podcast, of course. You can download this and use it wherever you want. As we can see, this is powered by 11 Labs. Don't you think this tool is very powerful? I personally would feel nicer if the design was simpler, but I don't know why they wanted to animate so much and add so much color in it. But that's fine. Maybe some of the users like it. All right, that's a wrap for today's video. And if you feel Unrav is something useful for you because you have collections of blogs or videos that you have put in your watch list, then hit a like and comment below. Now, before you go, this video marks the end of our AI series. We did 122 days of AI series, and before to that we had already done 21 days of no code automation and 100 days of bubble series. So that means we have covered 3 phases so far in our 1000 days challenge. And for the 4th phase, we are entering into AI agents. To begin with, we will start N8N series. We will cover from scratch. That means anybody who does not have any knowledge with automation or no code will be able to learn from this series. We are going to cover some really useful use cases that you can use in your day-to-day activities. So do not miss this 4th phase that we are entering into, and invite all your friends, colleagues, relatives to join this series because automation becomes so much easier with the help of AI. Do not miss it, and I will see you in the next one. And just so that you know, we have a community group meant only for no-code automation. If you have still not joined that group, please do join because we will be chit-chatting all about automation in that group, and you do not want to be missing the fun.